Attendre.
To wait.
In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to wait in the past tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in past tense, we should have the auxiliary verb and past participle of this verb.
For conjugating this verb in past tense, we use the auxiliary verb
Avoir.
And the past participle of the main verb, which is
Attendu.
now. We have the auxiliary verb and the past participle. Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in past tense. I waited.
J'ai attendu.
You waited.
Informal way.
Tu as attendu.
He waited.
Masculine.
Il a attendu.
She waited. Feminine.
Elle a attendu.
We waited. Informal way.
On a attendu.
We waited. Formal way.
Nous avons attendu.
You waited.
Formal way.
Vous avez attendu.
They waited. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils ont attendu.
They waited. Group of only females.
Elles ont attendu.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the past tense, let's explore some examples.
I waited for the bus.
J'ai attendu le bus. J'ai attendu le bus.
You waited for your friend.
Tu as attendu ton ami. Tu as attendu ton ami.
He waited for a long time.
Il a attendu longtemps. Il a attendu longtemps.
She waited for her friend.
Elle a attendu son ami. Elle a attendu son ami.
We waited for a long time.
On a attendu longtemps. On a attendu longtemps.
We waited for the train.
Nous avons attendu le train. Nous avons attendu le train.
You waited for the arrival.
Vous avez attendu l'arrivée. Vous avez attendu l'arrivée.
They waited for the response.
Ils ont attendu la réponse. Ils ont attendu la réponse.
They waited for the bus.
Elles ont attendu le bus. Elles ont attendu le bus.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
J'ai attendu. Tu as attendu. Il a attendu. Elle a attendu. On a attendu. Nous avons attendu. Vous avez attendu. Ils ont attendu. Elles ont attendu.
For your reference, I have summarized the conjugation in a tabular format. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing.
Goodbye for now, and see you in next video.
Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button.
Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.